Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix pen drive access is denied in Windows 11, 10 easy solution. First method is check status of disk. Disk state is online. Second method is change security option. Add everyone. Third method is change group policy settings. Click and expand administrative templates under computer configuration. Click and expand system, click removable storage devices. Open all removable storage classes, deny all access, change to not configured, click apply, click OK. Update group policy. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.